What's up, KAVARI crew?
Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell, I have a special guest in today's video. You guys all know Baba KAVARI by now. This is my dad.
I'm so happy I see my daughters, Yasmin and Nazanin.
Do you like how we're doing the apartment? Do you like it?
Yes, I like the apartment. I like everything.
So if you're new to my channel or you don't keep up with the vlog channel, my sister and I, we live in LA, and then Baba lives in Ohio. So we actually just recently moved from Ohio to LA a month ago. So how has it been having your daughters across the country, Baba?
Excellent.
Excellent?
Yeah, excellent.
No, Baba's really happy for us. He was just telling us today, because it's so cold where we live, he was just telling us today, like, I'm so happy you guys are here with this beautiful weather and doing what you do.
Yeah, you do good job, Daddy. You do good move.
Good move?
Yeah. I'm happy for Nazanin, for Yasmin. They live here. And if they are happy, I am happy too.
Oh, we love you, Baba.
Love you too.
So for today's video, Baba's going to be doing my voiceover. So I did like a fast forward, no talking video on this makeup look right here, and Baba's going to be narrating it for us.
What I do, I don't know. You told me eyeshadow. Believe me now.
I know. I said for example, you're gonna be like, so now I'm doing my eyeshadow, and Baba's like, I don't even know what eyeshadow is.
Listen, I know one word, makeup. I don't know more about makeup.
So for today's video, we actually teamed up with
Audible.
So Audible is actually offering everybody watching this video a chance to try them out for 30 days. It's actually an app where you can listen to audiobooks, so you can listen to books on the go, no matter what you're doing. I actually was listening to this audiobook while I was doing my makeup today, and the book that I'm currently listening to is so good. It's ironic that this book is called this because I'm making this video with my dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And it is by Robert T. Kiyosaki, I think that's how you pronounce it. But it's just such a good book. It really challenges and changes your perspective on money. So this man grew up with two different fathers in his life. Well, one was his actual father and one was his father figure, and each one of them had very different opinions on money, and it just kind of teaches you different ways to look at money and stuff like that. So it's a really great and motivating book. So Audible's selection is unmatched. If you want to listen to it, Audible has it. So if you guys want to try it out, just go to audible.com/Nazanin. Now they actually added that you can actually text Nazanin to 500-500, and that will also give you the link to download Audible as well. So the great thing about Audible is that you can actually keep the book. So even if you end up canceling your membership, it is yours to keep. So again, link down below, or you can text that number. What is the number you text, Baba?
500-500.
What do you
like
text?
that number.
You like that number?
Yes.
No, what do you text?
Text Nazanin.
Yes.
Nazanin. Nazanin. What did he say?
Baba, you spelled my name wrong.
Yeah. Nazanin.
You're missing, Baba, you named me. Nazanin. Nazanin.
Oh, Nazanin. Yes. Nazanin.
When your own dad can't spell your own
No.
name.
Listen.
So if you want to see Baba teach you guys how to get this makeup look, just keep on watching.
Okay.
What are you saying okay to? We're talking to them. Okay, guys, we're just gonna move on.
Hello, everybody. How you doing, everybody? Have a nice day, everybody. I talk with you from Los Angeles. In this hot weather, I want to tell you about the makeup. First of all, clean your face. Primer. Don't forget the primer. Yeah, primer. First of all, on lips. The foundation with that stuff look like egg. Look like Amish egg. And put on your face foundation. You need good foundation, because guys, this is like a painting. You need a good primer, good foundation, and this is very important. How I know in my life: foundation, primer, and after that use the something. Concealer. What's called? Nazanin? Concealer. Use the concealer, and starting with again foundation. This is a lot of foundation. What's that? Yeah, This is, yeah, you do with the egg stuff. Yeah. Under the eye. Nice. Nose, don't forget the nose. And then what called the eye? This cheesy ball. What called? Eyelid, yeah, use the eyelid, nice. And after that, something Nazanin use it is yellow stuff. I don't know what called that. I'm sorry for that, guys. I have to learn from Nazi a lot of things. Okay, and oh my God, come with brown line. I don't know what they call that. And with the brush, brush your face, brush. Okay, good. And after that, come with the nose. What call that, guy?
Contour, Baba.
Contour. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for everything. Contour. Yeah, brush. Again, brush. I think they use a lot of brush in this situation. Yeah, and the brush is different. I cannot explain for you. Sometime I saw the color different. Okay, and after that with the egg. This is the egg stuff?
Yeah.
Yes, with the egg, starting with the egg on your face, facial, yes. And the frontal, did they say
forehead?
Forehead?
That's forehead.
Forehead, yes, they do the forehead. And the nose, don't forget the nose, guys. You have a lot of work. I'm sorry, but what I say is a lot of work. I thought it's little work, but it's a lot of work. But make you beautiful, don't worry. Okay, and oh my God, this is the yellow. The yellow has a mirror on it. What called that? Cream?
It's pink, Baba. It's pink.
Pink. Paint, huh?
Blush,
yeah, this the blush. Pink is nice, yes. In the you have to use it, put on under your eye, around your eyes, yeah, around, yeah, go, yes. You don't need for air, nothing, huh? Your air,
ears? No.
Yeah, air, nothing. Okay, and lips with the small brush, starting around the lips. Here, spray, yeah, spray your face. You become fresh now, fresh face. And Nazanin do like yeah. And here you use the from Huda Sultan. What called this?
Katan, Baba.
Huda Katan, yeah, Huda Katan. I say hello to Huda Katan from Los Angeles. Yeah, say hello to her. And Nazi, she brush eyeshadow. Yeah, she brushed the eyeshadow. Nice, yes, from Huda Katan. Yes, Nazi show that color from the Huda Katan. Yes, that one mean she used that one. I know, depend on your color of the face, how which one goes which. Yeah, for example, she put this for eyes because goes with her face, and this one down, yes, the down one, yeah. Put more, yes, more, nice, okay. And I don't know exactly the final will be. Just I'm talking about it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Now it's very nice. Oh, third color, Daddy. This means you have to be very genius when you use this. Believe me, choose the color not easy. You guys, you do big hard work.
Thank you, Baba.
Okay. Yeah, and the okay. She with the eyeshadow, yes. Oh wow. Yeah, and this is mascara for eyelash. Yes. Believe me, hard to repeat this. I cannot remember the name of this mascara. Okay, mascara, eyelash. Yes. Oh wow. Yes, and Nazi now with mascara starting the eye. Yes. Okay. And put eyelash. Yes, this is eyelash. She put the eyelash. Okay. Wow. Yes. Good. Good. And depend on quality too, Daddy. All the stuff, this depend on quality. If quality is good, yeah, I mean it's better. Yeah. Has to be smart. Get good quality. Yes. Okay. Eyelash. Okay. And now she is, I don't know why she did that. She put some spray on the brush. Okay. Yes, and this is from Huda Beauty for the lips. I don't know what called this, Nazi?
Lip liner.
Lip liner. Oh my God, lip liner. Yeah, this is easy to say. Yeah, lip liner. And Nazi, she do her lips. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Okay. Nazanin now starting with this spray. That spray, she spray her face.
So we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We definitely want to film more videos while Baba's here, so let us know what you guys want to see down below. So far we're thinking we're going to do a video where Baba teaches me some Arabic, and then what else should we do?
أعلمك عربي بابا.
Yeah, Baba's going to teach me
عربي, yeah.
Arabic.
Yeah, Arabic.
So if you don't know, Baba knows like 6 different languages, and Arabic is one of them. So we're going to maybe do a video with that, and then also we wanted to do a video where maybe Baba does my makeup. So let us know down below what you want to see. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good time. We don't know now everywhere. Somewhere is. Have a good time.
Baba, usually I end my videos, I blow a kiss like this.
Love you guys. Love you guys.